Hi, this is Cindy Cricut the Heart. I am back with video number 3, Destash. I should have been done, but dang dog would not stop barking, so I had to go see what his deal was, and nothing important. So it is PayPal only, US only. Email me at scoop71@yahoo.com if you would like any of these items. They are, some of them are vintage, my favorite things. Whatever doesn't sell, I'll probably put in a box or a lot. But for now, you can have a chance to buy them without. So I have a couple things here. This is teacher label and time for the bubbly label. So that's them. I don't think they make these anymore. And so this is going to be number 22. And this is $8. Then I have Neat and Tangled. I maybe used 1 or 2 of these. I feel like I didn't use any of them. It's called Photo Booth. And this one is number 23. And it's $7. And then I have Trouble in Tutu from Clearly Besotted. This one is number 24. And it is $8. Then I have this one, which is Carol Singer's Never Been Used. It's from Simon Says Stamp. And this one is going to be number 25. And it is $7. And then I have this one. This is Caped Cuties. And I also have dies for this one as well. So actually this one I'm not going to sell. This one I'm going to do a giveaway on. So sorry about that. I'm doing a giveaway on that one. That's right. Got mixed up. So this I've got let's see. I've got all 3 of these are going to go together. I'm going to put all 3 of these together. These are going to all go together. These are Tailored Expressions. So these are super cute. All 3 of these are going to go together in a lot. Here's the rubber. And I've used this one, never used that one. Don't think I ever used this one. So all 3 of these are going to go together. This is going to be lot number 26. And this is $7 for these 3 stamps. And then last but not least is this one right here. This is Lily Lovaboo. And I'm not sure. This is Stamping Bella. It's the rubber right here. And this is number 27. Oops, not the last one. I have more stuff over here. And this one is $3. And then I'll put these 2 together. This is this one. It says, thank you so much. Celebrating surprise party. It's please join us. And it's got the lines. And then leave a little sparkle wherever you go. So those 2 are going to be number 28. And that is going to be $4.50. All right. There they are. I've got 3 different videos, but you can email me for any of them. Let me know what you would like. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Cricut.